Namaskaram and hello everyone. Welcome to Maitri. I am Dr. Sameera Reddy. Our human body is composed of 5 great elements, that is Panch Mahabhutas, which are Prithvi, Jala, Vayu, Agni and Akash. We all know that human body is composed of more than 70% of water. Water is there everywhere in our body. All the organs and systems and every single cell of our body has water. So that's why we need to take ultimate care about the water we drink. The best way to drink water is to store them overnight and then drink the following day. So you can fill the water in a vessel, keep them overnight and drink the following day. This way you can detoxify all the systems, your entire body, and in turn gain optimal health levels. The more hydrated you are, the better health you will have. The next is Prithvi, that is earth or the matter. The solid parts of our body represents Prithvi. That is bones, muscles, tissues, organs and everything. All these things makes up around 10 to 12% of our body. That's why it is also important to take ultimate care regarding the food we eat, because whatever the food we eat will get assimilated inside the body and makes up our body, physical body, which is called as Sthula Shariram. In order to keep our body, systems and organs in their best condition throughout our life, it is always advised to take a better food which is very pure and rich in oxygen, and this will fulfill by taking plant-based nutrition, that is fruits, vegetables and nuts. These foods reduce the oxidative stress, purify your system and keep it healthy. That is why eat your food the right way. Spend time in nature. As much as possible, try to take out some time to spend time in nature. We all have become very busy. We do not have time to go out, and even if you get some time in the weekends, we look forward, especially children look forward to go for some shopping malls and restaurants, family get-togethers. So everything but indoors. Try avoiding these indoors. That may be your multiplexes, your shopping malls, your restaurants, your virtual games and many more. Instead, go out into the nature, maybe to some stream, maybe to a river, maybe to a lake, to the jungle, to any farm or anywhere. You just sit on some rock, sit in the woods, sit in the midst of green for some time with your family. This way, you will get the pure air which actually your body needs. Otherwise, our lives are full of pollution. We all are living in the cities. The air inside our houses is polluted and the air outside is also polluted. If you open your window for pure air, you won't get pure air. Instead, you may get polluted air. You may get dirty and stinking smell, dust and the smoke which comes out from the factory chimneys. So literally we are inhaling only polluted air. So get some fresh air. If not every week, at least once in a fortnight or once in a month, go out with family. Just spend some time outside in the nature. Get some fresh air, let your body get relaxed completely and then come back. This will recharge you to work for another 1 week. Especially when we are inhaling this polluted air, this polluted dirty air goes inside and the same air is circulating in our system, in our entire body, in our blood. It is reached into every cell of our body. That means every cell, every organ, every system and our entire body is polluted. That is why the functioning of our entire body is coming down day by day in these modern times. So in order to purify your system internally, purify your blood internally, each and every cell of your body internally, you need to get some fresh air. So that by inhaling this fresh air, all the toxins which are there inside your body, all the toxic gases which are produced inside your body will be expelled outside and you will gain ultimate health. Kindly do not inculcate this habit of going out to a theater, a shopping mall, a restaurant or maybe virtual games and multiplexes with your children. We all have heard of Agni. There is also Agni in our body. When we are hungry, we say Jatharagni. So when we are angry, we say Kopagni. When we show our love to somebody, that is Premagni. So likewise, there is Agni in our body. How is this Agni represented? All the metabolism, all the activities which are going on in every organ and every system of our body is because of this Agni. This Agni is making us do everything, and we can intensify this power of Agni by exposing ourselves to the sun. Agni is otherwise called as sun. Sun is one of the Panch Mahabhutas, without which our body can never be healthy. Getting some sun every single day is the best thing you can do to your body. So gift it with sunlight. Hence, by exposing yourself to the sun every day, all the activities and metabolism in your body can go in a very perfect manner. If you take care of all these things, especially the water you drink, the food you take, and the air you breathe, and especially what kind of Agni is there in you, then definitely there is no question of any kind of physical and mental illness. You can definitely control the Agni within you. So there is Kopagni, that is the anger, but you can definitely develop compassion, you can develop love. So replace all your negative Agnis with the positive Agnis to be healthy and happy. So don't forget to drink pure and still water every day. Eat healthy, especially the plant-based foods. Get some fresh air at least once a week with your family. Spend some time in nature with your family and get some sun every day. If you follow these 4 things, you can definitely be very healthy and happy. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and kindly subscribe and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.